This is Karen Ramsey of Feel Fabulous with Food. Today I'm going to make you my zucchini zoodles with Asian sauce. You're going to love this super simple recipe. First, I'm going to take my spiruli, which I have been using for many years to make zucchini noodles, cucumber noodles, beet noodles, sweet potato noodles. Today I am with zucchini. I'm going to take a medium-sized zucchini. For my zoodles, I am going to peel the zoodles. I want the noodles to be the color of the white flour noodles. I'm going to take my zucchini. I'm going to put the larger end right into this knob here on the spiruli. Take this piece and move it up, and I'm going to start cranking out my noodles into this pretty bowl. So here comes spaghetti-like noodles from the zucchini. Next, the Asian sauce. Everything is in one piece of equipment, the blender, the Vitamix or Blendtec. I have a medium-sized zucchini, and so with this zucchini, I'm also going to peel it. You can take your peel and you can put it out in the compost when you're finished. So I'm going to peel another zucchini. I've chopped the zucchini lengthwise, and now I'm just chopping the rest of it right into a bowl. Put that bowl of peeled zucchini into the blender. I'm going to take a whole lime, juice it right into the blender. It doesn't have any seeds, so it is simple just to juice it right in there. Here's my lime. I press together and all the lime juice comes right out. Add one date. You can add 1 or 2 medjool dates. Take out the pit. Be careful because one time I forgot. You don't want to break your blender. And the date needs to be soft. Sometimes I soak them. This date is pretty soft. To cut these 2 pieces in half, I have ginger, about 1/2 inch total of the ginger. Add 1 little clove of garlic. Sometimes I add dulse granules as a salt alternative. You could add a teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of that. I have some beautiful cilantro I bought at the farmer's market. About 1/2 cup. I've already rinsed that. I'm going to add the cilantro though at the end so that it's very flavorful. It's going to be the last thing that I blend in. Tahini. So I have artisanal tahini, 1 tablespoon of this delicious tahini. 1/2 teaspoon, and I'm being pretty precise here, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm using Simply Organic because I don't want my spices to be irradiated. Just a dash of cayenne pepper. This is hot. You don't want to overload it. You won't be able to eat it. 1 little or 2 little quick dashes. Add about 1/3 of a cup of water to get the Asian sauce moving. And lastly, the wonderful, flavorful cilantro. Pulse it so that the cilantro breaks up and still has quite a bit of flavor. That's why I waited until the end for the cilantro. Cilantro is a wonderful herb, but it can be extremely detoxifying. So you wouldn't want to put huge amounts into your dressing. So I'm putting about 1/2 cup. There we have it. That is the Asian sauce. For these Zoodles, you want to make sure that you do not have these long strands of noodles like these. You want to make sure that you cut them at different angles so that you have shorter Zoodles. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a knife, and you can take a fork or a spoon and to just hold the Zoodles down while you go around the dish and cut the Zoodles. Pour the Asian sauce on top of the Zoodles. Mix the sauce into my Zoodles. And I'm going to pour a little bit more. So there you go. Enjoy. Here is my Zoodles with Asian sauce. So yummy. Can't wait to try this. Let's see. Really quick, wonderful, tasty dish. Video. If you love this raw food recipe and you have a health challenge, you want to lose weight, you want to heal from diabetes, or you have other health challenges, you can book a free call with me by clicking the link below in the description to set up an action plan to get the results that you want in healing your health challenge. And see you on the next video.